The Leatherman Free P2 and P4 look very similar. Which one would you pick? In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed comparison of their similarities and differences. And first of all, let's get some measurements. The Free P2 weighs 218 grams. Free P4, 249 grams. The P4 essentially has two more tools that does not exist on the Free P2. As you can see from this view, the Free P2 does not have the externally accessible tools here, while on the same side with the belt clip, the Free P4 has a saw, scissors, does not exist on this side. So flipping over, we got the plain edge knife, plain edge and a serrated edge on one blade. The scissors, which are the same as on the Leatherman Free P4. So here's the thing, when the other tool is fully extended, try not to open this one because it is really not designed to do so. As you can see, it will bump into the lock on the other one, but it is doable, but I just don't think that's a good idea to open two tools at the same time. So as a side note, for the saw, you got to push all the way to engage the scissors, the spring-loaded scissors. And all tools are one-hand operated. The same design on the Free P4. So basically that's it, that's the main difference. And as for the rest of the tools, they look exactly the same. Now let's go to the same side here. So use a thumb to push open all the tools. The same kind of tools here, flat edge screwdriver and the Phillips, exactly the same. And of course it has a built-in little wire stripper. Here, it's really sharp. So these tools are identical. Okay, moving on to the other side, they're also the same. Exactly the same. The bottle opener, flat edge, a little flathead screwdriver, the ruler, another flathead screwdriver, the file for metal and wood. They also lock with the same kind of lock that is available for the knives, right? The lock is quite secure. The knife is ultra sharp. And I do prefer large plain edge knife on the Free P4. So if I have to do it again, I would definitely just get the Free P4. The Free P4 is the way to go, unless you're really on a tight budget. The size comparison, well, they are about the same size as the Leatherman Wave Plus. Same here, but I really like the magnetic design. It's really nice and satisfying. About the same size, but the main difference is that the Wave doesn't have the rest of the tools externally available. It has to be opened to access this part. But the Wave does have the ability to use other accessories like the screwdriver, accessory extension bits. So which I will talk about in a different video maybe. So anyway, so this is our really quick comparison of the the Leatherman Free series, Free P4 and Free P2. Yeah, I really like the design. This is such a brilliant idea to have a magnetic connection right here. So one hand opening is possible with some practice. But this part is so super smooth, and you know, it is effortless. There's a magnet here to put these two pieces together. The exact same design on the free P2. It feels like Leatherman is trying to get the cost down, so they produced the Leatherman free P2 as a, you know, at a lower price point without the main tools. The saw is really not that common, so I guess it makes sense. But the scissors is such a nice thing to have if you want to quickly cut something with high accuracy. And the serrated edge blade, I guess, well, again, this is the main difference right here. All right, thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this review helpful.